After scraping through the invention test, office temp Angela excelled in the pro kitchen. But will her experimental food combinations impress this time?
What are we going to have?
I've got a dark chocolate wasabi sponge with white chocolate cream.
Japanese mustard sponge.
Yep.
All right, you loony. And then what?
And for my main, I'm doing fillet beef with polenta chips.
Your heritage, your mother was West Indian.
Yes.
How does that affect your food?
Cooking's a really important part of sort of West Indian life, and everyone cooks, everyone gets around the table. I think because I've travelled around a bit as well, I've sort of experimented with different flavours, so hopefully I'm going to show that a bit in my food today.
If you do go through,
Yeah.
how far can you go?
I think I can go all the way.
From all the contestants, it's Angela's food I most want to try. And it was actually Angela who I said was least likely to go through. 1 minute and counting. Time's up. Step away from the plates.
Experimental cook Angela has gambled on fillet beef and polenta chips, followed by chocolate wasabi sponge with raspberry and white chocolate cream.
You do cook food with lots and lots of flavour. It tastes very, very good indeed. It looks a bit shambolic, but it tastes great.
Thank you.
This is the second time I've looked at one of your dishes and thought that's going to be a disaster, and it's tasted nice. Your weakness is what?
Presentation.
You're right. Well, I'm fascinated by chocolate cream raspberry wasabi. I don't get any wasabi at all, but the whole thing is delightful.
As it goes up to your mouth, you can really smell those fresh raspberries. The cake is really well made. It is a very good tasting dish. It just looks like it's been made by a 3-year-old.
I'm so glad that they like my flavours and they just didn't think I was some fluke that got through.
Fine dining fan Tracy has made roast halibut on a bed of mash and truffle oil, followed by rhubarb and amaretto syllabub and amaretto biscuits.
I think those flavours are big, big, and I actually really love them. Very, very rich.
Yeah.
You know, it cost an arm and a leg to order it, but I do like that truffle concept.
The whole thing should be right royal, and at the moment it's a bit sloppy and a bit flabby, but I'm seriously impressed with the way you cooked that piece of fish. Like, seriously impressed.
I'm really annoyed that I forgot to butter the biscuits, so they all stuck to the paper.
Love the flavour of the rhubarb, wonderful and sharp. Texture for me, again, is a bit sloppy. And I'm sad about your biscuits, because the idea of you making your own biscuits, good stuff.
It's got amaretto booze in there, so it tastes like marzipan with a kick. There are touches of real style about your food, especially in your flavour combinations, which are unusual.
You know, I love strong flavours. I guess that's my style.
Our quarter-finalist, the person going through, is Angela.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm a good home cook, you know, so I think that's where I belong.
I think they probably saw some potential, but I think I made too many mistakes for them to put me through, really.
I'm so excited. I thought I was going home yesterday and I can't believe I've got it through to the quarter-final. I've just got to break down all those issues with presentation and just try and get that little bit further. Just make it to the end. Yeah, I'm so happy that I've got through to the quarter-final.